how to send gifts on Cake. Hello, welcome to another Cake tutorial. In this video, I'll teach you how you can send gifts on Cake. So how do you send gifts on Cake? The first step is to launch the app, log in, then select the chat where you'd like to send gifts to. So after selecting the chat, at the bottom part of the chat page, you can see so many icons. So tap the GIF icon, all right, and then after tapping the GIF icon, you have an option for you to search for GIF by clicking on the search option here, or you can just go ahead to locate the GIF. Once you found it, click on the GIF. Then after that, move to the bottom right corner, and then you'll see a bubble icon. Just click on it, and then that way the GIF would be sent as easily as that. So this is how you can send gifts on Cake. Thank you for watching and have a good day.